everyone. Today morning something very strange happened. जब मैं उठा तो मेरी wife was packing bags, and as you might know, tomorrow is my birthday. I'm totally clueless what is happening. So she just said, "Get ready," and we are leaving. So let's see where we are going. Okay, so we are all set to go, and here's my wife. Let's ask where we are going.
That's a secret, but I'll take you through.
लेट्स गो वी आर रेडी एक बैग और एक हैंड बैग के साथ इतना तो बनता है एक दिन के स्टेकेशन के लिए
इनिशियली हमने सोचा हम कैब में जाएंगे बट रास्ते में इतना ट्रैफिक था सो वी टुक द मेट्रो एंड चेंज्ड आवर वे. And if you take the metro, you can enjoy these amazing views. That's the Burj Khalifa.
So we have got down at Al Fardan Exchange metro station. I'm still clueless where she is taking me. बता दो कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
आसपास palm Jumeirah है. Now you
Okay.
can get the hint. Okay, Vaibhav, so there's a game for you. You have to guess where we are going.
Okay.
So if you guess the right one, I'll give you a gift.
Okay.
Okay, so the first option is Sofitel, second one is Anantara, and the third one is Taj Exotica.
Is it Anantara
Okay.
or
So,
Taj? I
no,
think.
you can't do that. Choose any one.
I think both of them we have been talking for a long time.
So you've chosen Anantara,
Yeah,
and that's
first
the wrong
option
guess,
is
so no
Anantara.
gift for you. So guys, let's see where we are going. How are you feeling?
Very excited. I think I know where we are going, but she's not still telling me कि कहाँ जा रहे हैं. Let's see कहाँ जा रहे हैं.
Anantara भी गया.
Anantara भी गया तो I think it's Taj Exotica. That's the only one left now. So excited.
So finally we have arrived at Taj Exotica.
Oh, we have given our cards now. They are doing the check-in process, and look at her. She's enjoying the welcome drink. How is it?
Good, you can try.
What it is?
It's pineapple juice, but I don't know why it's green in color.
Yeah.
But the taste is good.
Okay, let me try too.
So you enter from here. Come. That's your stay for the day. Come this side. And so here you have a closet where you can keep your stuff, the bathrobes, the slipper, iron table, and everything else you can ask for, like shoe bags, laundry bags, extra duvet. So then you have the washroom. Wow, it feels luxurious. Wash basin or the toiletries, a buttered soap of Forest Essential. And then you have the bathtub. I don't need to tell you what's that. And there you have again a shower area and Forest Essentials once again. I love this brand. चलो चलो room देखते हैं. Okay, so what's the first thing you do when you enter a hotel room?
Remove that.
You remove this thing. Oh my god, I just hate it. Now let me show you the view. I think that's what we paid for. Are you ready?
Yes. Yeah.
So that's the view. चलो चलो चलते हैं. और हाँ, अगर आपको भी फॉरेस्ट एसेंशियल के प्रोडक्ट्स पसंद हैं तो डू चेक द डिस्क्रिप्शन.
So that's all Palm Jumeirah villas. One day we aim to get one of those villas there. I'm just excited कि next 24 hours में इतनी सारी चीजें हैं एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए यहाँ पे. Thank you so much for bringing me here. I think ये अपन मैनिफेस्ट कर रहे थे लास्ट 2-3 महीने से कि यहाँ आना है, यहाँ आना है, बट हर बार कुछ ना कुछ प्लान होके कैंसिल हो जाता था. So
I hope
I
you
think
liked it.
yes, I did.
I just planned it like 1 day ago. Kal I booked everything
Yeah,
and just for you.
yeah. Thank you so much. So what are we having for lunch today?
So today you are having the vegetable biryani. It's with all the vegetable picks and with some pickle and curd on side. So good
Okay.
choice.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Bye. Bye. So Vaibhav told the staff apparently कि we want vegetable biryani with a lots of paneer and just look at the amount of paneer they have added. I think इसमें veggies से ज़्यादा सिर्फ पनीर ही पनीर है.
Yes.
Thanks Taj for the
Feeling
amazing
like
service.
a birthday boy. So after resting for 2 hours, we have decided कि हम pool जाएंगे and beach देखेंगे. So this resort has its own beach. आप easily जा सकते हैं, बैठ सकते हैं, chill out कर सकते हैं. We'll take you there and we'll see what vibe it is. It just feels amazing how people are enjoying even in this heat. And let's go. बीच देख के आ गए, बहुत मजा आया, लेकिन इतनी भूख लग रही थी कि बाहर बैठने का मन ही नहीं हुआ. So we ordered some vada paws and cold chocolates for her. So we'll have that.
वैसे कोल्ड चॉकलेट मंगाया तो मेरे लिए था बट ये पूरा पी गया और बोला
You will love it, यार. You will love it.
वड़ा पाव खाने के बाद हमने सोचा थोड़ा प्रॉपर्टी के बाहर आके एक्सप्लोर करें क्या क्या है. So there we saw this amazing view. यहाँ से Burj Al Arab. There you can see the skyline, and that's the property where we are staying. It looks so beautiful from outside.
How are you feeling, Shreya?
I'm feeling very peaceful. मतलब अंदर ambience was very good, सब अच्छा था. But बाहर आके when you're close to the water and the nature, the feeling is really different. And look, you can look here. I love long walks, so apparently this place was like heaven for me.
तो अरेबिक में ताज ऐसे लिखते हैं। चलो तो अब थोड़ी प्रॉपर्टी घुमाते हैं आपको, देखते हैं क्या क्या है यहाँ पे करने के लिए। ठीक है, लेट्स गो। तो ये यहाँ पे जाकी सैलून है, जहाँ पे आप अपना हेयर कट, बियर्ड ये सब करवा सकते हैं।
Now let's go and explore some in-house restaurants. First is Roaring Rabbit Pub. इसकी वाइब बहुत चिल है और यहाँ आप अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली के साथ फिंगर फूड और ड्रिंक्स एंजॉय कर सकते हैं।
तो ये यहाँ का दूसरा रेस्टोरेंट है, विच इज फॉर इंडियन क्यूजीन। The other one we will show you tomorrow morning when we go for breakfast. I think that's called Asia Kitchen or Taj Kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah. By the way, later we got to know that it's Palm Kitchen, where we'll be having the breakfast tomorrow.
This is a very famous thali at the Work restaurant. This is called the Peacock Thali. This is silver, and they give you a variety of curries, dal, Indian breads, sweets, and it's a burst of flavors. So if you're here, you must try this. So now let's show you the gaming room. So it's evening, and now we are going to show you the lit up property. Let's go.
Let's go.